I got a lot on my table. How do I change file output from MP4 to MOV? Let's see. Can we turn the camera on? Can we swipe down? Hit the cog. Scroll till you see video compression, HEVC, and choose H264. Close and just make a video. I don't have to do anything else than that. And yeah, connect it. Hit the file. Open up. This is the file right here. This MP4. Right click. Let's go all the way down to you see show more. Let's rename it. And the only way to really get into this to rename it, and I don't love this system anymore. Let's go to options, view, and we're looking for hide extensions to known file types and uncheck it. Click apply. I'm going to leave this window open. I guess I have to close it. And let me just do this one more time. Come over here, you see it says MP4. Come over here and just take the MP4 and go MOV. If you change the file name extension, it becomes unusable. Click it. It now became an MOV file. There you go. Simple as that. Now, you want to just go back and take care of everything here. Go back to options. Go back to view. And you want to hide extensions name. Apply. And when you come here and you rename it, and it won't give you that options with the extensions there. As simple as that, and that's the way you do it. You don't have to come in here and go into the cog and change all this. You could simply leave it on the smaller container and off you go.